I'm getting ready to go on an elk hunt in Colorado, so I've been getting all my gear ready. Um, Gun that I don't use all the time. It's a little bit too much for whitetail. I've used it on whitetail before, and you could. I think it was just actually the type of bullet I was using. It's just too much. This is a Remington 700 SPS, and it is chambered in 300 Ultra Mag, Remington Ultra Mag. But what I'm showing here today is this recoil pad on the buttstock of these synthetic guns. As you can see, it looks disgusting. This is fibers from this towel stuck to it. So basically, the reason I was putting this video together is I was reading the reviews on these recoil pads. I picked up a new one, a recoil pad for the fits all the 700s with synthetic stocks. It's a Remington Supercell recoil pad. It's got the R on it. I don't know if you can see it, and it says Remington down the side. It comes with 2 new screws. So I read the reviews on this, and people were saying that it seemed like a pretty good product. I just need to get rid of this because it's just disgusting, and I can't take a rifle like this. So it would work, but it's real sticky, and I didn't get anything on this buttstock or recoil pad. I didn't get anything on it, but it's breaking down, and it's real sticky. If I put it in there, it was sticking to the foam, so I've wrapped this towel around it, and as you can see, the fibers stick to it. But when I was reading the reviews on the recoil pad, other people said that theirs were breaking down as well and sticky, and that's why they were buying them. So it sounds like it was just a manufacturer defect from Remington on those recoil pads. So hopefully this replacement one, it's made differently, and hopefully it holds up. Let's see if there's a part number on this. Fits model 700 SPS 700 XCR. Any synthetic stock rifle that is compatible with the R3 recoil pad. It doesn't. I don't see a model number, but I just punched in my firearm in eBay, and I got this for like $21 shipped. So it's pretty simple. There's 2 spots for screws. They are a Phillips, so you just stick your screwdriver in there and feel around, and you'll feel it grab the screw head and run it out. Alright, it let go. And as I said, 2 Phillips screws, and it came right out. 2 Phillips. It was in there and comes out like so. And I guess there's just foam in here. That's nice. Inside your stock is just a piece of foam. I'm gonna leave it in there. Probably helps with vibration. Gotta love plastic. So here's the new stock. Okay, here we go. Here's a number. There's a 306495 on here. I don't know. It says ABW up top. 306495. And they give you the hardware. 2 Phillips head screws, like so. And you can see there's just basically threaded portion right here on both ends. for your screws to go into. And so you have to push them in this end. I don't want to mess up the pad. So you push them in, and then you're going to line them up. And thread them in. And I'm off. Alright, that one started. That one started. And it's just plastic. You just gotta make them snug. You're not making this super tight. You're going into plastic and it's securing a rubber. There it is. And that one's snug. So it's a quick 5-minute job. It looks decent. 2 screws, and that's really fast. It's got the R Remington symbol right there. It says Remington right below it, and I don't know if you can see it or not, but it says Remington on both sides. And it's got a different style recoil pad that they say is better for recoil. I'm not really that worried about it. It just has to have something on there. But actually, this 300 Remington Ultramech does have some decent recoil. I pretty much only shoot 150 grains out of it because I was using it on whitetail, and it was still too much. But when I go elk hunting, I'm going to be using a 200 grain, and the recoil is much greater. But that's it. Quick job. Thanks for watching.